Hello guys, welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss our question Pythagorean triplet. So in the input, we are given three numbers A, B and C. We are required to check if these three numbers can form a Pythagorean triplet. If yes, if they can form, then we have to print true, or if not, then we have to print false. So that's our question. First, let's understand what a Pythagorean triplet is, but I messed up, dude. Hello guys, welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss our question Pythagorean triplet. So in the input, we are given three numbers A, B and C. And we are required to check if these three numbers represent side of a triangle. We are required to check if these three numbers can form a Pythagorean triplet or not. If yes, if they can form a Pythagorean triplet, we are required to print true. If not, then we are going to print false. Okay, so let's see what the Pythagorean triplet is. So I will create a triangle, right? So this is our triangle. In the input, we are given three things, three sides, A, B, and C. So what is a Pythagorean triplet? If a side square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. For example, if A square is equal to B square plus C square. So this is a Pythagorean triplet. What else? What else? For example, if B square is equal to A square plus C square. Or you can say if C square is equal to A square plus B square. So if any of these condition is true, then you have to simply print true, right? If not, if that is not the case, then we have to print false. So that's our question. It's very simple question. I first recommend you to try it yourself before moving to the solution. Okay, so now that we know when our sides can form Pythagorean triplet, let's try to code it. Okay, so don't care about the input. We have to write our code here, and we know we are given three integer input. Okay, so what we know, if our condition is true, if a triangle can form a Pythagorean triplet, what we have to print? We have to simply print true, right? Else, if our condition is not true, then we have to print false. Okay, now let's talk about the condition that makes our triangle a Pythagorean triplet. So as we discussed, if square of a side is equal to the sum of the square of both sides, then that means a triangle is capable to form a Pythagorean triplet. So I can say if a square, a into a, right, is equal to b into b, b square plus c square, right? If this condition true, or triangle have three sides, right? Or b square is equal to what? A square plus c square, right? And or if any of these condition is true, then I'm gonna print true. And the third side, if c square is equal to a square plus b square. So if any of these condition, if any of the condition from these three condition is true, that means my triangle is capable enough to form a Pythagorean triplet, and I'm going to simply print true. So now let's try running it. As you can see, it got accepted. Now let's submit it. So this is it. That's it for our code. It was simple if else. If you liked this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.